Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change the page URL in WordPress. So let's start. So what you want to do is when you're going to be on dashboard on your WordPress, click on pages and open whatever page you want, right? Like blog. When you're going to open it, you're going to see like here the URL slug, and you're going to see like the view page. It's going to be your page, and I can name this Stone blog. That's good. And then just click preview and preview. And as you can see, it's named Stone Block. And also, if I'm going to open it here, you can see it's completely changed. So this is how you can edit the page URL in WordPress site. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And that's pretty much it. So thank you, see ya, and goodbye.